With air and press it to your ears. Catch the other end of it with your finger. You will note the sound reaches your ear. This activity shows that sound can also travel through gases. अभी हम आपको प्रैक्टिकल बताएंगे कि किस तरह साउंड एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाता है। क्या कॉल This activity sound can travel in gas.
Take a wooden stick and press your ear at one end of it. Sky a friend to gently knock at the other and you will be able to hear the sound very clearly. This shows that sound can travel through solids. मैं आपको बताऊंगा अमली तौर पर कि साउंड सॉलिड्स में कैसे ट्रेवल करता है। साउंड सुनाई दिया। This activity shows that sound can travel in solids.
Place a spiking top in a plug-in bag and hold it in a bucket of water. Can you hear it speak when it squares its place? You are here against the side of the bucket and squeeze the top again. Do you hear it squat? In which case did you hear the second better? This activity shows that sound can travel through liquid as well.